Frank, don't do that with your food. It's weird.
It tastes better this way.
Hey, oh.
I'm still gonna eat it.
Today we're going to be making a strange dish that's an obvious parody of Steven Spielberg's Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Richard Dreyfuss's mashed potato mesa has been parodied every which way possible. We're going to do it with rigatoni pasta and meatballs. You'll need everything you see here. Yes, that's a lot of meat. We'll be making a lot of meatballs. Our meatballs will be a variation on Swedish meatballs. We'll start with the breadcrumbs, add Montreal steak seasoning, green onion, and garlic. Let the mixture soak in milk for about 10 minutes. Then, add the beef, pork, and turkey. Work the mixture with your hands, making sure to knead out any knots. Roll out the meat mixture into golf ball-sized meatballs. Brown the meatballs on two sides and then arrange them in an oven-safe pan or baking sheet. Optionally, you may want to refrigerate the meatballs for about an hour before frying. It helps them maintain their shape. While we fry up our meatballs, boil some salted water with a little bit of cooking oil on the top. Dump in your rigatoni and let it boil until the noodles are al dente. Drain the noodles, and then immediately douse them with cold water to stop the cooking process. To make our pasta plateau, we're going to make an egg wash to glue the noodles together. Beat 2 eggs until homogeneous and dump the eggs into a bowl with the pasta. Get the noodles nice and evenly coated, and don't be afraid of getting your hands dirty. We experimented with a muffin tin, but with noodles of this size, it wasn't very effective. Smaller noodles like vermicelli, elbow macaroni, or conchitas would work better for producing mini mountains. A pie dish fits plenty of rigatoni, though. Once you have your noodle arrangements and meatball tray ready to go, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Put everything in, then watch and wait. While everything's baking, that's the perfect time to make the sauce. Add some butter to the pan you used for frying the meatballs. Melt it and stir it up. Lastly, add broth and tomato sauce. This is the best formula I could come up with to match the reddish-brown sauce Mrs. Heffley makes for her family. Now it looks like a good enough pasta plateau with meatballs, but how does it taste? So here we have a Close Encounter style pasta plateau. The small ones did not turn out great, as you saw, but the big one is pretty nice and it maintained its shape. Now this is huge, so I'm going to serve myself a slice of it rather than an actual try to eat the entire thing on my own. Hopefully, it'll work a lot better if I ever attempt to make a ramen burger. So, here we go. Now the sauce, it's half tomato sauce, half gravy. Trying to fit with the pasta, but also be that delightful reddish-brown color that we saw in the video. Okay, got a pretty decent flavor. The noodles are a little bit more al dente than I would care for. Mainly because we cooked them and then egg washed them and then baked them in the hopes of obtaining a shape. Meatballs have a very good flavor, very good texture. I like the Montreal steak seasoning, that worked out really well.
So what have we here?
We have a Wimpy Kid.
Definitely al dente.
Yes.
You mentioned gravy for the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Now is that gravy like Italian gravy or?
It was semi-Swedish style.
Flavor wise, it's good. It tastes good.
All right.
All right.
We got a winner.
Winner, winner, meatball dinner.
So, I have been Jason,
And I'm Dawn.
and we're reminding you to live your life the Meeple Witch way.
Dine in and game on.